Back in this tutorial today, I'm going to share with you one website. You can claim Solana from that website. That website pay you 10,000 Satoshi every 2 minutes you claim Solana. And let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. First of all, you come here, open this website, go in the three dot and choose the desktop size site. Okay, why you choose the first one? Show you some advertisement that you can feel the capture. Okay, if show you a advertisement, and if didn't show you any advertisement, you use this platform. Okay, and just put your faucetpay email address in here. Every 2 minutes you can claim this much Satoshi and 10 time claim per day. First of all, click login. In here you have this all thing, you solve it. First of all, solve this captcha. If you watch my videos, you know how to solve it. Just click the first one and the second one and the third one and the fourth one. Okay, and just solve this captcha, then verify captcha. Show you a sponsor link. It's mean a short link. You just click go to sponsor link. For the first time, this sponsor link is different for all people to come join this website. Okay, and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, just click continue. Okay, this is the sponsor link. For every people, this sponsor link is changed, but show you some sponsor link. Okay, that's it guys, and click continue this one and show you another sponsor link, and this is another 10 second timer. After 10 seconds complete, come down and click continue. Show you another continue in here. Just click continue again. Show you some advertisement. You can close the advertisement, or sometimes for the step 2 show you a new page. Okay, this is step 2. In here show you step 2. Just do it again, and sometimes show you a page like this, and you can just click open, and after you open it, close it, and then close the button. Okay, or you wait the page fully load. Which one you do, it's your choice. You just click continue. Okay, and that's it. This is another step 2. 2 times show you one step, and wait few seconds and just click continue and click continue again. And this is the last one. This is 8 seconds. Okay guys, the timer is finished, and just click get link. Okay, close the page and click again, and you can see this website send you your Satoshi instantly to your faucetpay. Go to your faucetpay to show you this website pay you 9,000 Satoshi or not. You can see this website send me 9,000 Satoshi of Solana instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.